Emergency fund, your financial safety net. An emergency fund is a savings account specifically set aside to cover unexpected expenses. It's like a financial safety net, providing a cushion to fall back on when life throws you a curveball. Why is an emergency fund so important? Unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss, or natural disasters can arise unexpectedly, and these events can often require significant financial resources. Avoiding debt. When you have an emergency fund, you're less likely to turn to credit cards or loans to cover unexpected costs. This can help you avoid accumulating debt and its associated interest charges. Peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial safety net can provide a sense of security and peace of mind. It can reduce stress and anxiety, especially during difficult times. How much should you save for your emergency fund? A common recommendation is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount can vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your income, expenses, and risk tolerance. Tips for building your emergency fund. Start small. Even if you can only save a little at a time, every dollar counts. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce your spending and allocate those savings to your emergency fund. Consider a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Remember, an emergency fund is not just a goal, but a crucial component of your overall financial health. By building and maintaining a solid emergency fund, you're taking a proactive step toward financial security and peace of mind.